Hi guys, we're gonna do a fire alarm test. Right here we have a P2 a system sensor P2RK. Right here we have a GE RSTG RST T bar. And then here we have a Sega 278 by EST. If you'd like to see the brand right there. And right here we have a Firelight BG12. This one takes this is not the regular version. This is the Hex Red. This is by Honeywell. Okay, then it takes a hydrogen wrench. And then over here we have an ESL 110-300-1A. Zone 4. This is Zone 4. Zone 3 is right there. Zone 2 is right there. And Zone 1 is over there. Alright. Okay, guys, let's get started. First, we're going to be pulling this. And the alarm is going to be loud, so you might want to cover your ears. 3, 2, 1. Alright. This pull station, there's our alarm. This pull station takes a Cat 30. Let's reset it. You turn the key to your left. As you see, there's a button. Done. Okay, next we're going to be pulling the Firelight BG12. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1. Next, we're going to be pulling the Sega 278 by EST. 3, 2, 1. Double action. Okay. This one takes the side key this time. Cat 45. Turn the switch off. And then last one. GE bar. Reset it. Okay, that's the end of our test. I will see you back in the next video. Bye, guys!